Has your company outgrown your capacity to run your daily tasks using basic tools like Excel or Word? Are you tired of using your employees' time to manually feed information from one system to another? Is maintaining complex integrations that must be rebuilt upon each update not an option? Time is money, especially when you are struggling to keep your business running and decrease your operational costs to focus on what's most important to you: growing your business. Ausuma offers a comprehensive cloud-based ERP solution for the small business designed to keep your processes running in a simple and effective way. Access your ERP data from anywhere and at any time thanks to our secure cloud storage system. Since Ausuma is stored in the cloud, you don't need to worry about managing hardware, upgrades, security, or backups. Let our platform streamline and optimize your daily operations, including sales order, customer relationships, supply chain management, inventory management, accounting, payroll, and HR, among others. Experience the benefits of Asuma's all-in-one platform tailored to the needs of small businesses. Start using Ausuma today and unlock the full potential of your small business.